about to say, let's go. You got one. See, there it is again.
Keep looking for the camera.
Shit, don't let him back in the water.
He broke the line.
They get back in the water, they swim away.
Yes, sir.
They don't sit around and wait there. Look at that, I done broke off again. Okay.
Well, we both broke this time. Number 2 for the day.
There you go, there you go.
Well, I got another one while you was tying up.
Oh. Where? Yeah, uh-oh. Camera's crooked on you. Camera's crooked on you. Let's get you.
Another one.
Oh, man. I thought about it. I wouldn't have did that kind of night. Told you about to catch you one of them. Told you about to catch you one of them.
Oh.
He's on fire. I can't get in the water, man. Breaking off. You need needle nose?
I got him. I got him. Stat number 4.
We need a clicker. It's gonna be one of them days we need a clicker. Fish, man. You catch all them fish. They in trouble today.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man.
Got another one.
You got another? Oh, they're getting bigger. We probably gonna need that net at some point, even though it's a little bitty net. Let me net that one for you.
No, I got the other one.
I just bring him on in here. There you go. Keep him in front of the camera.
Let me take him out of here and put him in front of the camera.
Oh, dang, I forgot we got this one.
Yeah, that's the one I'm saying.
Okay, let's lay it right there. All right, folks, Art's on fire. He's got about 6 or 7 fish now. What's that, 5?
5.
All right. What you got there?
This hook in the net.
In the net.
Yeah, can't get him out of there. All right.
You got it out?
Fish got it out for me.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what he did with my bait, though.
Yeah, the bait's what got him in trouble.
Now, this is a nice one there.
Yeah, that was gonna make it. Shoot, I had a fish on there. Didn't even know it. Uh-oh, I need that net. I need the net this one.
I got the net.
Bring him to you.
I got him.
Thank you, sir.
It's a nice one.
So what I did is I saw when you jerked your bait up, that fish reacted to it. I said, well, if they're gonna react to it, let me jerk mine up. And she reacted accordingly. That's another. That's a big Shirley right there.
That's the intro. Intro.
Oh, no, let's catch a double. We'll do a double. Catch a double for the intro.
A double.
Oh! You messed up. Show me my line, Twitch. Show me my. Oh, that's a double. That is a double, folks. That's a double. And with that double, what is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days. And then why? So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I'm back out here on the boat on Clark's Hill with Art Williams.
And we're doing our thing this morning.
Doing it. And well, so we are catching a couple of these big shows. We've already got probably about 8 to 10 fish in the boat. About 10 fish in the boat. So we're going to see if we can put some more of these big Shirleys on here on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Thanks for having me out on your boat. You got a name for it yet?
Not yet.
All right, we're working on a name for the boat. So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Now, here's the thing. Remember I always say, you get a lot of fish watching TV? Huh? There's nothing for you to see right here when your bait is in there. Watch that rod tip and watch your line. You're going to see a little twitch. When you see that twitch, set that up.
Mm-hmm.
They danced around me, but they didn't take me. Is that an air bubble coming up right here? Let's see. Get them out of there. All right. Oh, hold that rod up. Hold that rod up. See? Yeah. Your arm's too short. You're going to have to put some slack in. Now, just put some slack in the line and swing it back to you. He's hooked in the top of the mouth. He ain't going nowhere. Now, put some slack in the line. A little more. Now, just flip him back to you. There you go.
Damn, I can't get him back.
Don't reel it all the way up. Get it to where you can see the fish. Boat flip them. Just swing it back to you.
We got one on video. Your turn, Art.
See how you all the way up to the top? You don't ever have to bring your bait all the way up to the top of your rod. Never, ever, 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 ever.
That's a good eater.
She gonna eat.
I got get used to using this pole.
Oh, it take a while to get used to long pole now. Once some fish start biting, you're learning go quicker.
I've had a long pole all my life.
Yeah.
Got him. Same thing, remember to swing. Come up a little bit higher than that though. Show them some camera love, camera love, camera love.
Number 3.
Yeah, that's a nice one too.
Nice salmon size.
She gonna fry up. You know, I'm a guest of their waters. Don't want to come in without saying hello. This is where y'all live. How bad is it to go to somebody's house and not greet them? Come and say hello to me. Oh, but look at the baby. She ain't big, but she won, Art. Ooh, this guy, what the world she do? Look at her stomach here.
Yeah, man. Let her grow.
Yeah, she gonna grow. We're gonna let her get bigger. She ain't big, but she won. This baby got Down syndrome or something. something wrong with her. She gonna grow up to be nice though. Couldn't tell what was happening with that. Can't tell what I'm doing. Now I know what that is. I knew what that one was. Oh look, she done run me in a tree. Come on, get out of there. There you go. Thank you for getting me out of there. That's a little baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby, folks. Look at the baby. That's what's on the bottom. Ain't she cute, folks? Ain't she cute? I'm back.
Just gotta get me one of them there.
Go on, get you one. Oh.
Not the tree again.
That's the tree, but this time the camera's on. So with the camera on, that means I got to give him a shimmy. I got to give him a shimmy. God dog it. Just tied that line on too. Don't break it right on back off. God dog it. Okay. I got the 3 of them that way. I ain't got to keep going back. Get a fish.
Yeah, he a flipper.
Yep. Well, you didn't jump up on me 4 or 5 like you did last time. I think I might be able to catch up with one. make it though. She gonna make it though. She was swimming towards me. She bigger than I thought she was. She bigger than I thought she was. I got it. You ain't gotta retire nothing, do you?
No.
I can flip this one. She gonna make the cut though. She might not be the biggest, but she gonna be. She just short of a Shirley. She's a nice fish. She don't wanna let my hook go.
Got another one?
Yes, sir. Man, you got another one? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a little one. He's going in the pan.
She
though.
gonna fry up.
He's gonna fry up too.
Come here, girl. Come here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Might need a net on this one too. Oh yeah, cause I got the 2-pound line on here. Uh-oh.
There we go.
2 pounds. Actually, I don't think I got that 2-pound line on this one. I probably could have flipped them, but why? 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 No need to flip them when you got a net. Run the risk of losing them. I got it. I got it. You go ahead and fish, man. Let me get it. Let me throw it back there.
I got it.
Okay. This is embarrassing.
Show him up to the camera.
And a little bitty old bass come and hit me.
We ain't gonna keep no.
This ain't what we're looking for. Get on out of here now. Get it? Ooh, I done busted him up. I done busted him up. She gonna be a good keeper. Come here, girl. You already know what it is.
Yeah, she's a good keeper.
Yeah, I was about to say, I ain't asking you. You throw this one back, I'm like, oh, you done got bougie. I got real. Oh, here's another double. Here's another double.
Yeah, man.
I'll take them both back. You go on and get the next one. Mine's bigger. But you know,
Okay.
but you know, who's measuring? Yep, you done messed up, chased me too far, baby. Messed up and chased me too far. Come here. Come on. I'm gonna let you fight a little bit. But then I'm gonna tell you to come see me. Yeah, you chased me up there too far. She chased me all the way from inside the brush to like 5 feet up underneath the boat.
Wow.
Got him. That's a good fish. That's a good fish.
And I'm gonna head to the house.
All right.
I'll come back by and give you all these fish.
Okay. Oh, got him. Oh, I I got hung in the tree. While you catching fish, I got to shimmy again. Oh, wait a minute. No, I ain't shimmying. I'm shimmying. I'm shimmying for no reason. That's a fish. God dog it. Fish took me into it. I'm taking that shimmy back. Come on, fish. Bow it again. She on there. There you go. Come on. Come on out of there. God dog it. She got me wrapped up. Yep, she got me wrapped up. I gotta do that shimmy reverse. So I'm gonna come forward, then I'm gonna come back. Ooh. Come on out of there. Come on out. Come on, get out of there. Come on. Well, I ain't gonna get it back. I'm gonna break off. We have rain coming, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. We'll catch you at the boat ramp. All right, YouTube. That right there, the drill instructor, the crappie master himself down here on Lake Clark's Hill Lake.
Yeah, man, I did have a good day.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it.
Found a few good spots. Got a mess of fish.
Got to learn how to do the technique like you do.
Stay on the water, man.
All the secrets,
Stay on the water. I'm trying to give all the secrets, man. I don't hold nothing back.
Chris needs to open up a crappie fishing school. I'm hearing him talk, I'll be like, damn, man. Everything.
I'll be telling you, I ain't gonna hold nothing back. But, you know, you still got to be able to do it.
Yeah, that time ain't nothing gonna replace time on the water.
Well, YouTube, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fish for Drysdale. This is the second time Art and I have fished, and we got washed out by the rain. But it's the second time we also get to send him home with a cooler, a live well full of fish. Thanks to drill instructor Derek Fulton of Clark's Hill Crappie Club. Put some of those in there. We caught a good amount of fish. We probably caught, what, 20, 25 fish?
Yeah, probably 20.
Yeah. So, all right, again, man, thank you for bringing me out on your boat.
Not a problem, man. I enjoyed it. Thank you for the lesson.
All right. So, folks, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, Art Williams.
Had a great time.
Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Let's go get them.
We already went and got them.